What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has taken a slight dip as you guys can see here. However, overall for the week or last 2 weeks it is up. So what is next for Milady meme coin, guys? That's what we're going to be going through, the usual, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. How high can this crypto go, or even how low can it go? Obviously it is crypto, it is a volatile market, so it could either be bullish or bearish. However, as mentioned in my previous updates, I am expecting this crypto to be, or not just this crypto but the crypto market to be, more on the bullish side for the rest of the year. So that's what we're going to be doing and looking at buyers and sellers point of view. But before I do all of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and as you guys can see, we're gonna get the Fibonacci scale as usual, looking at where about the crypto is currently standing. So as you guys can see, it's still very close to the resistance level, and it has been over the last week. It has been up and down, but overall it has been fluctuating around the resistance target. So two things can happen here. It can either resist and drop back down into the green zone, or it can either break out into the dark green zone, which is what I'm expecting it to do so later on in June. But there'll be more details on that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, heading towards the negative direction. It's not looking too steep either, meaning it is quite realistic. So essentially, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin, guys. Again, it's not going to be a major crash or anything like that. It's likely to be very minimal, just like what's been happening over the last few hours. It is likely to carry on in that direction. Of course, it will hit green candles in between as well, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to slightly be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, guys, by mid to end of next week, once again, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So according to the graph, an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from this crypto over the coming week or so. However, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, I am expecting the opposite, guys. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, the crypto should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially a good 25 to 30% increase is what I'm expecting from the crypto over the coming week or two. So slow and steady. However, of course, red candles are always part of the process, but what matters again is the overall outcome, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side. Yes, it may seem like all I'm saying is going to drop and then pump and so on. However, that is the reality of crypto, guys. Look at the chart here. It's dropped, it's pumped up, it's dropped, it's pumped up. That is how crypto market works. That is how majority of the cryptocurrencies are. You're never going to see a crypto, consistently pumping or consistently dropping. It is ups and downs. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late July and early August. As you guys can see, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, I am expecting an overall increase in value. So if you guys watched my previous updates on Milady meme coin, I did expect it to essentially pump back up to where it was trading back in mid-March, as you guys can see, hitting this figure, and I'm expecting it to go past that value by late July and early August. However, if there are any major updates to this, as the crypto market can be quite volatile, I will keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can, because at the end of the day, Milady meme coin is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So guys, if you guys want to stay in the loop and for major updates on this crypto, make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, as mentioned earlier on, we are currently trading in the green zone. I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down and then break out into the dark green zone by mid-June, and potentially heading up into the blue zone in July and hitting the top tier level here in late July and early August is what my expectations are at the moment. So this is my prediction on Milady meme coin, guys. Over the last 24 hours, it has dropped just about a percentage, nothing major, but we can clearly see that the crypto has been quite volatile with peaks and drops and so on. And over the week, it has gained 5%, and over the month a massive 40%, guys. Consistent increases throughout the last couple of weeks. So yeah, this is my take on Milady meme coin. We can also see the trading volume has dropped by 30% in the last 24 hours because it's been dropping a bit. Most people, or majority of the people, are literally just holding back onto it, waiting for it to move in a bullish or bearish direction, as you guys can see, due to the fact that it hasn't moved much. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.